Making multiple recipients feel special. Using "Dear" in email salutations. Hello, English learners. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss a very interesting and important topic: how to use "Dear" when addressing multiple recipients in an email. Crafting a proper greeting might seem simple, but it's a key part of making sure your message is understood and well received. So, let's get started. In English email writing, the word "Dear" is commonly used as a polite and respectful way to address the recipient. This is an age-old convention borrowed from traditional letter writing. In most cases, "Dear" is followed by the recipient's name or their title. But what happens when you're writing to more than one person? How do you use "Dear" then? Well, it's simple. You just list the names of all the recipients after "Dear." For example, Dear John, Mary, and Alice. It's important to separate each name with a comma. Now, suppose you don't know the names of the recipients, or they hold official titles. In such cases, you can use their titles after "Dear." For instance, "Dear Professors," or "Dear Judges." If the recipients have different titles, list them all. For example, "Dear Doctor," "Professor," and "Captain." Just remember, each title should be followed by a comma. Another great way to address multiple recipients is by using the term "all." This can be used when addressing a group or when the names or titles of the recipients are unknown. For example, "Dear All." It's a versatile and universally accepted way of addressing multiple recipients in an email. That wraps up our lesson on using "Dear" when addressing multiple recipients in an email. Now you know how to use "Dear" with multiple names, titles, or even the term "all." Remember, in English writing, the goal is always clarity and respect, and that starts with your salutation. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll master the art of English email writing in no time. Happy learning!